What is the secret to analyzing complex past exam questions? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle without knowing what the picture looks like. That's what analyzing complex past exam questions can feel like. The key is to develop a clear, step-by-step method. This isn't about memorizing answers but about understanding patterns, sharpening your skills, and making your study time effective. Start by gathering as many past papers as you can for your subject. Look at questions from different years. Notice which topics come up often. These are usually important and worth focusing on. Pay attention to how questions are written. Are they asking for explanations, comparisons, or evaluations? Recognizing question styles helps you prepare better. Next, break down each question carefully. Find the main topic. Look at the command words like explain, compare, or evaluate. These words tell you what kind of answer is expected. Rephrasing questions in your own words can help you understand what they're really asking. This step stops you from misreading or giving answers that don't fit. Look for patterns in how questions are structured. Some exams repeat certain types of questions, like multiple choice, short answers, or essays. Knowing this allows you to practice the right skills. If essays are common, practice making clear, organized arguments. If multiple choice questions appear often, work on quick recall and elimination techniques. If you have access to the mark scheme or examiner's report, review them. They show what answers score high marks and what mistakes to avoid. Comparing your responses to these standards helps you see where you need to improve. Use past papers to practice under timed conditions. Set a timer and answer questions as if you are in the exam. This builds your speed and confidence. Afterward, review your answers honestly. Note which questions or topics gave you trouble. Focus your revision on those areas. Adjust your study plan based on what you discover. Spend more time on topics that appear frequently or that you find difficult. Revisit past papers regularly to track your progress and reinforce your learning. Modern tools can make this process easier. Some students use apps or software to organize questions by topic or difficulty. This helps target your weak spots and practice efficiently. Finally, stay flexible. Exam patterns can change over time. Past papers are a guide, but they don't guarantee what will come up. Combine this approach with a broad understanding of your subject. By following this method, past papers become a powerful tool. They help you focus on what really matters, practice the right skills, and go into your exams with more confidence. Analyzing complex questions systematically makes your study smarter and increases your chances of success.